Hey everyone, Filmora recently introduced two new features, multi-frame effects and speed ramp to beat. These are the best tools to make fast-paced edit easily inside Filmora 15. Let's see how to use them. Before we begin, visit my YouTube channel to learn how to use Filmora and create a cinematic intro. Also, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will never miss my upcoming videos. Beat ramping. To create fast-paced edit with these features, you need 10 to 15 video clips and a music clip. Place the audio on the audio track. Then, place the first clip on track 2. Go to the speed in the settings panel and you will see the beat ramping feature. Click on it and you will get 9 beat ramping effects. Make sure your clip is selected, then select Basic Speed. It will automatically mark the beat on your audio track. Beat ramping settings. Now, from the settings, you can adjust the beat frequency, speed ramp speed, and speed ramping. If you are using multiple audio tracks, you can select the audio and make the beat sync to the selected audio. Then, adjust the clip duration according to the beat. Now, once you have beat marks on your audio track, place the next clip on track 1, select the beat ramping effect of your choice, adjust the setting as per your requirement, then adjust the clip duration. In fast-paced video, we use a small part of the clip to keep the audience hooked. Then place the third clip, choose the beat ramping, and adjust the clip duration. Multi-frame effect. Now we will see how the multi-frame effect works. Go to the effects and from the side menu select Video Effects and then select Multi-frame and you will get 17 multi-frame effects. To see the preview of the effect, select the effect and it will show you the preview. Now simply drag and drop the effect onto the timeline and it will automatically catch all clips on your timeline and make the multi-frame effect. You can add more clips to the timeline to use different clips in each multi-frame. Multi-frame settings. Select the multi-frame effect on your timeline. Then from settings, you can adjust the frame speed. Then from screen 1 to screen 9, you can adjust the part of the particular clip that you want to show in the frame. Also, you can select the track to show only selected track clips in the frame. You can enable and disable the background. Now, sync both the features, beat ramping and multi-frame effects, to the beat according to your creativity. And make sure to use beat ramping and multi-frame for a short duration to make your edit catchier. Once done, here is the final preview of the edit. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com and get your Filmora 15 today. See you in the next one!